Hello, my name is Doug and I'm here to help you make marketing easy. And today we're going to be looking at running an A/B split test in ThriveCart. So first things first, what is an A/B split test? It's a way of you assessing which two variables or two options get the most money for your business. So within ThriveCart's language, it's going to be comparing one product to another to see which either has the highest revenue generation over the full funnel, which one has the highest conversion rate, or which has the lowest abandonment rate. So we're going to flip over to ThriveCart now. So we're in ThriveCart and I've logged in. I've gone from products to A/B split tests and I'm going to click create first A/B test. As it says here, an A/B split test will compare two products to see which is most successful at achieving your specific goal. Once set up, you'll be given a unique URL, which will automatically rotate the two products for a specified period of time. So if you're running any campaigns, you would use the output of this A/B test URL to plug into your campaigns. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to choose our first product. So I'm going to choose my Notion D&D spell database and I want to compare it to this one above, the spell list. So I'll click next and I'll choose spell list. I'm now going to give this a name. I'm going to say that the variation that I'm testing for is it's going to be adding trust, social proof in funnel. So let's say on the two landing pages, one has a lot of trust, a lot of authenticity, it's got videos, testimonials, and the other one is more traditional product feature led. I then had three options in which to assess the efficacy of my test. Highest income across the entire funnel, so you have upsells and downsells, the highest cart conversion, and the lowest cart abandon. So for this one, I'm going to go highest cart conversion. And I'm going to choose the date at the end of the month. And I'm going to give this a unique URL name, which is spell-list. Create A/B test. Now it's going to give me my split testing URL. So if I were to visit this URL, it's going to rotate between one of two products. So this is product number one. And maybe if I refresh it, maybe I'll immediately get the other one. In this case, I haven't. So this is one funnel that I have. So now I'm going to go back to ThriveCart and close that. And while this test is running, I can come into A/B test at any time, hover over my funnel that I'm testing and click view. What it will then do is it will show me the performance of the two pages. So I can see that actually this one that I just visited twice because I refreshed the page has got 2 cart impressions, 100% cart abandon, and 0% cart conversion. But as time rolls on, we're testing to see which is the highest conversion. So it's going to be using this cart conversion rate, which it's conveniently set in bold in order to test which one is the winner. But while the test is live, you can of course copy the URL, but you can also edit this test. So you can then go in and change the name again, or you can change the metric that you're using to succeed, or the date that you want the test to finish. So actually I'm looking at highest income, so I'll save that. And what you'll notice is now the metrics have changed so that this one, this last number here, total funnel income, has bolded because that is the metric that we are looking to assess. So I'll go back to highest conversions. And again, we can see that the cart conversion rate has changed. Now, the reason this one is currently determined as a winner is because it's getting data. So it's getting a cart abandonment rate. So the cart conversion rate is a truer reflection. But as we start getting traffic, we'll start then to see how that is being impacted. So that's it. And then when that's done, when October the 31st comes around, come and check in and see which of your tests are working. One thing I'll note is if you are looking to test for highest income across the entire funnel, remember that that is not just your cart, but any upsells and downsells and bump offers as well. So one test you could look to run is to increase the average revenue. Try adding in a bump offer. Try adding in different payment methods. So maybe one funnel has split pay, another has pay out front. Maybe the income is different. So have a look, see what you think, and yeah, I hope this has been helpful. And yeah, if you do have any more questions about ThriveCart, do let me know in the comments below. Until next time, I've been Doug. Ta-ra.